In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be seeing if Bitcoin is still bearish or if it's still bullish. And yeah, pretty much just giving a technical analysis on Bitcoin. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to get 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Bitcoin, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking at Bitcoin is currently trading around 38.869k. At the time of recording, it is currently down 1.7%. You can see on the chart that CoinMarketCap have provided. You can just see that price has pretty much been bearish on the daily. Nothing major occurring, but we will look into more in-depth analysis on TradingView. So yeah, you pretty much looking on the weekly as well. The weekly was really bullish. We did reach the highs of 45.13k, but then we did retrace back up into this strong demand zone. But hopefully we can get an accumulation schematic being played out because if we go over to TradingView now, let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see here that this was the demand zone that I had initially interpreted, and what the price do? It came right into this last bearish candle before the initial uprise in price. So pretty much, it's pretty much telling us that there is lots and lots of buying volume within this zone, and you can see here that we did have. But it looks like there's accumulation schematic being played now. Essentially, you can see here that there's a selling climax, the secondary test in phase B, and then from this we did have the spring, and then from the spring we're having a retest, and then looks like from the retest we should start having pretty much more higher highs essentially being made towards 39.4k hopefully, and then from then on we should have a little bit of slow momentum, pretty much showing a sign of weakness, and then from then onward we should have pretty much a breakout towards upside, hopefully even reaching the highs, pretty much essentially making a new higher high, breaking past 45k. But it just depends on the overall market. We're gonna have to see how this plays out, or even if it does play out, or if Bitcoin does decide to drop even lower, because if you go over here, if we go into the hourly, you can see here that there's pretty much loads and loads of liquidity pretty much below this candle, and if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low of it currently, there could also be pretty much a reversal from this zone, the 0.618 region. But in my opinion, I still think that we were overall bullish, even though we did have a break of structure on this zone, but it looks like price did tap up into this area around the 45.39k region, and pretty much we're gonna have to wait and see if price does respect the zone, or if not. If we do, then we should reach the highs of 50k, but if not, we could see the lows, we could see this low even being taken out essentially, possibly even reaching the lows of 30k, but it just depends on the overall market, on how the overall market plays out. But looking on the daily for all the whole market, you can see pretty much everything is bearish. You can see like pretty much everything is bearish. I think it's mainly due to Bitcoin as well, so everyone's portfolios ain't looking too good, but looking for Bitcoin. Hopefully this is a strong accumulation schematic, because once it is, then we should have a huge rise towards upside. But so far this distribution schematic that played out a few days ago, I had initially interpreted, just played out perfectly. So hopefully from this accumulation schematic we should have another pretty much another run towards upside, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. So yeah, but other than that, nothing major occurring within the market. We're gonna have to wait and see how next week plays out. If we check on the weekly, okay, so let me just quickly hide drawings. Where is it? Okay, yeah, so pretty much on the weekly you can see we did take out I think it was not last week's but the week before that weekly high, and we did take out last week's weekly high easily. But I think this is mainly due to news influenced pretty much all this fundamental stuff going on with the war against Ukraine and Russia. So we're gonna have to wait and see, and if price breaks past this, or are we overall bullish toward, or are we overall bearish towards the downside. We could possibly even reach like 20k essentially. But we can see price did tap into this really strong demand zone. If we go over here, yep, you can see here that was a strong demand zone on the weekly. And let me just get rid of this. What's going on? Yep. Let's go back onto this. Yeah, so you can see that this is a very, very strong demand zone. It's been tapped in once, twice, three times essentially, and the price is just. But on the bigger picture as well, if you want to think about it, you could say that we're pretty much accumulating on a bigger time frame. So you could say that this is a selling climax, secondary test, spring, retest, and then from there on we could have another pull up towards bullish. So we could really be bullish. We could even reach past 70k if you never know, because this does look like a really strong accumulation schematic on the daily time frame. But we're gonna have to wait and see how this plays out. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to 500 subs. Peace.